When it comes to choosing a lead generation software, Cognism is one of the top contenders. But before you decide to commit, there are a few things you need to know. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 critical factors you should consider before buying Cognism. Trust me, you don't want to miss this, especially if you're comparing it with competitors like ZoomInfo, Apollo, or Clearbit. First, let's talk about the accuracy of the data. One of the biggest selling points of Cognism is its high-quality, compliant data. The platform uses AI to ensure the leads you're getting are not only fresh, but also GDPR compliant. This makes Cognism a standout compared to many other tools where data accuracy can be hit or miss. If you're running a B2B campaign and need leads that won't get you into legal trouble, Cognism is a solid option. Next thing to keep in mind is the integration process. You don't want a tool that requires hours of setup just to get started. Cognism integrates with top CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, and LinkedIn, which makes onboarding relatively easy. This is a big deal because many alternatives require additional steps or third-party tools to connect seamlessly with your CRM. With Cognism, you can get started quickly, saving your team time and effort. The third thing I want to mention is the breadth of its database. Cognism's strength lies in its global reach, offering access to over 400 million contacts across 200 plus countries. When you compare this to competitors like ZoomInfo, you'll notice that while ZoomInfo offers a solid database, Cognism's broader global coverage is especially useful if your business operates internationally. The fourth thing to consider is the platform's advanced search features. Cognism allows you to create highly customized filters for lead targeting. You can search by specific industries, job titles, company sizes, and even funding rounds. While competitors offer basic filters, Cognism goes further by allowing more granular targeting. This means you can build precise prospect lists that have a higher chance of conversion, giving you more control over your lead generation campaigns. Another thing to note is Cognism's email automation features. The software enables you to not only find leads, but also send automated emails directly from the platform. This eliminates the need for third-party tools like MailChimp or Outreach. Compared to other software options, this makes Cognism a one-stop shop for many of your lead generation and outreach needs. If you're someone who values efficiency, this could save you time and money. The sixth factor to think about is customer support. Cognism has received positive feedback for its responsive customer service, and that's something you want in a tool that you're relying on for lead generation. If you hit a roadblock, having a support team that's easy to contact and helpful is crucial. While competitors can be hit or miss in this regard, Cognism seems to stand out in offering reliable support to its users. And lastly, let's talk pricing. While Cognism is certainly on the premium side of the spectrum compared to tools like Apollo or Hunter, the value you get from the platform justifies the cost. The features, especially the high-quality data, advanced targeting options, and integrated email automation, make it a worthwhile investment for businesses that need to generate leads at scale. If you're just getting started and are working with a smaller budget, it might feel like a stretch, but the ROI from Cognism could pay off long-term. If you're thinking about trying Cognism for yourself, the good news is you can start a completely free trial through the first link in the description below. This gives you the chance to explore the platform and see if it's the right fit for your business without any commitments. So, if you're serious about lead generation and need a reliable tool to scale your efforts, Cognism is definitely worth considering. Just remember to take full advantage of the free trial to see how it stacks up against the competition. Click the first link in the description to get your exclusive benefits and start your free trial today.